Get ready for a wild ride. In today's video, we're diving into the most epic fails involving heavy machinery. Brace yourself for chaos and laughter as we showcase these jaw-dropping moments. An intense chain reaction. Watch as a sudden failure causes this entire building to crumble. When one part fails, the structure can no longer hold, leading to total destruction. The repercussions of disregarding overhead power lines can be disastrous, as demonstrated by a dump truck unloading sand that experienced a severe electric shock. Watch this skilled operator carefully demolish a high-rise building. Precision and control are key when handling such dangerous tasks to ensure safety and efficiency.
Oh
no! They always say that excavator working by the river looks like a giant at play, effortlessly tackling tough tasks. With 35 years of experience, it makes loading seem like a breeze. Witness as the ship tilts dramatically, creating powerful waves. The sheer force of the movement showcases the challenges of navigating rough waters. You're watching the last days of this school bus as it's torn apart for scrap metal and then recycled. This is pure madness. Everything goes wrong from the very first moment, and it's clear he has no clue how to handle this heavy machinery. Fast is not always good. This wind turbine needs immediate repair. Amid the chaos behind them, the excavator operator remains calm and unfazed. Their composure in such a hectic moment is truly impressive. The excavator tore down the bridge like a rampaging dinosaur, each mighty strike sending concrete crashing to the ground. It was a dramatic and powerful sight. And there it goes. The massive tower crane collapses like a tired giant, causing chaos below. Check out this excavator as it expertly tears down the building. What a sight to see! If you're wondering when your packages will arrive, the answer is never. Like and subscribe for more epic heavy machine fails. It's unbelievable. That truck completely ignored everyone's help and just drove off on its own. Oh my god! The unexpected fall showcases the power of gravity and the fragility of construction. Oh no! Disaster struck at the demolition site as the parking garage collapsed onto the excavators. Thankfully, all the workers escaped safely. This crane simply couldn't manage the immense weight of that large module. Fortunately, no one was injured in the incident. The shocking moment the train derails. The unexpected twist highlights the risks of rail transport. Fortunately, everyone on board is safe. Black smoke billowed out as if swallowing the truck. It looked like it had suffered a serious engine failure. Impressive teamwork. The collaboration between the tree cutter and the heavy equipment operator is a textbook example of safe and effective coordination. The Selco operator must have a deep understanding of his team to work together so smoothly and safely. Even a heavy-duty tractor can handle such massive weight with ease. Oh no! The excavator is stuck deep in the mud. It's built for tough jobs, but even heavy machinery can get trapped when the ground gives way. This is a classic case of misjudgment. When the load is too heavy or the terrain too tricky, even the sturdiest vehicles can find themselves in a pickle. Whoa! Did you see that? This truck is struggling to get off the ferry. It's a tough spot. One wrong move and it's a splash. The camera captures this crane losing balance and crashing down, a dramatic reminder of heavy machinery's unpredictability. Here's a truck making its way through the river. Talk about an adventurous route. It takes guts and great skill to tackle such a watery challenge. The Forester planter is just a planting machine. It's a rescue hero for its crew. This machine's versatility and power are truly impressive. Look at that! He hasn't even let go of the brakes, and the cargo is bouncing right out. Whoa! This excavator just tipped over. Even the toughest machines can struggle when the ground isn't right. Look at this excavator in a hazardous environment with smoke everywhere. What's the pay for such risky work? It takes real bravery. Talk about teamwork. When heavy machinery needs help, this excavator is ready to save the day.